Chelsea here at Labels and Labeling. I'm here with Paloma Alonso, the new CEO of All4Labels. Paloma, thank you for joining me.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting.
So you're a brand new CEO at All4Labels, your first Labelexpo Europe. Can you kind of tell us a little bit about your initial thoughts of the show so far?
Well, I think it was great for somebody starting. There's nothing better than an expo for the industry like this. I got to see all the key suppliers and then walk through the exposition and see all what is going to come in terms of trends in our machinery. So I cannot be happier. And I think it was 4 years since last time, so the whole industry was very, very keen on this gathering. There's a lot of collaboration going on with our stakeholders and partners. And of course it was great for my team because I have spent quality time with them, and that is very important right now.
And now you just got finished speaking at the Sustainability Masterclass. Can you explain a little bit about All4Labels' sustainability mission and what you were speaking about in the Masterclass?
Yeah, so I think the key message from the masterclass is that you make products to satisfy customers, but in the process you need to make a net positive impact in what you do. And with that, it means looking broader at what footprint, what trace, if any, you're leaving in the planet, and how are you impacting positively the people that are around you, communities, employees, customers, anybody. So what we do is take that look. We take 2 steps back, we take that look, and we ensure that there are actions and targets of the same entity in those areas like we have in the area of R&D, making new products, meeting customer needs, making money, being efficient, and all the other metrics that we're a lot more used to tracking.
And I've been fortunate to visit All4Labels facilities in the past. It's a company that's known for innovation. Can you tell me a little bit about what's next at All4Labels under your new leadership?
Well, I am looking forward to learn a lot from my team, but they already have a massive number of things in motion that we're going to push forward. As a company, we're keen on continuing the growth track that we've been having. We want to expand further to the Americas. And in terms of innovation, we've always been saying since several years that it is all about sustainability and digitalization. So those 2 areas take a lot of our time. We've developed a new product portfolio that is more friendly to the environment that we're going to be promoting and pushing in the next months and years. In terms of digital, we are very committed to remaining really pioneers in learning and using and being using digital technology in places where nobody else does. I think the only thing I would add from innovation and from R&D playbook is really adding functionality to the label. We're facing a tremendous, huge opportunity of making the labels do a lot more than they do today, which is not small. Today they connect brands and consumers. In the future they can actually connect a lot more, provide a lot more info, open up new opportunities, track the product so that you know where it is. The options are infinite, and we're working a lot on smart labeling, which adds functionality so the label does something more than just telling who the product is.
And here we are, Labelexpo, your first one, you're meeting with the team. Was there any other key takeaways you've noticed from the show, any trends that you saw emerging on the show floor?
For me, what has been very clear, also in the meetings I have had, with all the suppliers, particularly machinery suppliers, is automation. I think, gone are the days where you have like 2 technologies, conventional technologies plus digital, and like 3 options, and depending on your run and a few things more, you choose your technology. Now, this is a continuum. There's a lot of intermediate technologies. There's a lot of mixed technologies, modules to achieve certain things within a given technology. So the whole area of covering the gray space between technologies and not necessarily just facing digitalization, which is happening, but in the intermediate, having intermediate technologies for those spaces is something that has striken me. Of course, the automation is the other part. I think seeing the whole process, not only that you make your printing digital, but the whole thing is digital. You manage your data digitally, you get everything, let's say, automatized. You basically let the process become digital beyond the printing. Those two elements for me have come across very, very clear, and a lot of options are opening up.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Paloma, for your time today. Congratulations on your new role. We're excited to see what's next for All4Labels.
Thank you.